Good evening, class. Yesterday I told you sentence, its main kinds and parts. Today I will tell you sentence structure based. Structure based sentence. From today's you are learning the main kinds of sentences and in how many parts it is divided. A sentence is divided into two types: subject, predicate. You have learned four types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Today we learn that how a sentence is divided into structure based. Structure based sentence is divided into three parts. First is your simple sentence. Simple sentence. Second one is compound sentence. Everyone knows the definition of sentence. Today we will learn new kind of definition. Structure based sentences are divided into three parts. First one is simple sentence, second one is compound sentence, and third one is complex sentence. Okay, class 7 student? Complex sentence. So these are the three types of sentences that is based upon its structure. Okay. So first I will tell you about simple sentence. You should remember 3 points to learn the definition of simple sentences. Okay. First you should let me tell you what is the main structure of sentence. S plus V plus O. Do you know this? S plus V plus O. I told you in class 6 also. Subject, verb and object is the basic structure of any sentence. किसी भी सेंटेंस का जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, हर सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. ये थ्री पार्ट से मिल करके हमारा सेंटेंस बनाता है. मेनली सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट मिलता है. ओके. सो फॉर लर्निंग सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, and I have also told you that a sentence is mainly divided into two parts: subject and predicate. I have told you this yesterday. Now today I am going to tell you about simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Okay. So to learn definition of simple sentence, first know one subject, one predicate, one final verb. So if you know these 3 points, you can write definition of simple sentence: one subject, one predicate, one final verb. So a simple sentence has one subject, one predicate or one final verb. To know the definition of compound sentence, you should know these 2 points. A compound sentence is made up of two or more. दो भी हो सकते हैं, two or more coordinate clause. A compound sentence कैसे बना है? दो या दो से ज्यादा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या होता है? जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से जुड़ा हो. ठीक है. A compound sentence is made up of two or more coordinate clause. Third one, complex sentence. It is made up of one principal clause, and one or more subordinate clause. So these are the main points you should remember to learn the definition of simple, compound and complex sentence. A simple sentence is made up of one subject, one predicate and one final verb. A compound sentence is made up of two or more coordinate clause. Okay. A complex sentence is made up of one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. Okay. So note this point. Then I will first tell you in detail about simple sentence. Okay, class 7. This is the new topic for you. Simple sentence is not so typical. It is just simple. You know that a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate, and this is the main structure of a sentence. S plus V plus O means subject plus verb plus object. Okay. So I am going to tell you about first about simple sentence. What is your simple sentence? Simple sentence. First I will write the definition of simple sentence and then I will explain it to you. A simple sentence has one subject. One by one I will explain you each point in the definition. One subject, one predicate, and one finite verb. Okay, a simple sentence has one subject, one predicate, and one finite verb. A simple sentence is also called, और किस नाम से हम इसे जानते हैं? सिंपल सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. Now I will tell you what is phrase and clause. See, to know this definition, first you should know about what is phrase and clause. Okay, I am going to tell you about phrase and clause. See, what is phrase? Phrase is group of words that makes sense but not complete. Okay, phrase means वाक्यांश. ये वाक्य का एक अंश होता है. Suppose I say in the corner. कोने में इन द कॉर्नर एक सेंस तो निकल रहा है बट कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं. ठीक है, इट इज जस्ट अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट हैव सम सेंस बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, group of words that make sense but not complete sense, and it has no subject. Phrase doesn't have any subject and no predicate. It is just a group of words that have some sense. You can see that we can take out a sense in this group of words. In the corner means corner, but corner में क्या? Okay, so it has no subject and no predicate. So this is phrase वाक्यांश. You don't need phrase in these kinds of sentences, but I am just telling you because in class 8 we will study in detail phrase and clause. It is not in your course, but I am telling you still. Now clause. Phrase is वाक्यांश and clause is उपवाक्य. उपवाक्य. See. Group of words. Group of words. It has subject and predicate of its own. And when a subject has predicate and subject of its own, then it has complete sense. It is a part of a larger sentence. एक बड़े वाक्य का छोटा भाग. Part of a. It is a part of a larger sentence. Suppose I write, I met a girl who is a doctor. Now you see two parts in this sentence. A large sentence has two parts. I met a girl who is a doctor. So it is a clause, a part of a larger sentence. Okay? Is that clear? So clause is a group of words that has subject and predicate of its own. Okay? It is a part of a larger sentence. We say it in Hindi, upvakya. Phrase is vakyansh and clause is upvakya. Okay? It is not mentioned in your chapter, but I am just telling you so that you may know what is clause and what is phrase. Okay? So a simple sentence has one subject, one predicate and one finite verb. Simple sentence is also called an independent clause. Independent means it is not dependent. ये किसी पर निर्भर नहीं. It is not dependent on any sentence. See, I will write a sentence. He reads a book. He reads a book. वो पुस्तक पढ़ता है. It is complete. It is independent. This is a principal clause. Independent clause भी हम कह सकते हैं और principal clause भी. It doesn't need any other clause to complete its meaning. इसको किसी दूसरे वाक्य की जरूरत नहीं है इसकी meaning complete करने के लिए. That's why we say a simple sentence independent. It has one subject, one predicate and one finite verb and its meaning is complete in itself. Okay? So note this definition. He reads a book. She will go. These are the two examples of simple sentence. She will go. See. One subject, one predicate, one finite verb. One subject, one predicate, she will go, and one finite verb. Okay? Note it down. Class 7, simple sentence is clear or not? If not clear, you can ask again. Raghavan Singh, Aryan, Ravi, Sharik. A simple sentence has one subject, one predicate and one finite verb. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. I just told you why it is independent. It is not dependent on any sentence. He reads a book. वो पुस्तक पढ़ता है इसको किसी और सेंटेंस की जरूरत नहीं है. That's why it is also called independent or principal clause. Principal clause means main sentence. Okay, मुख्य उपवाक्य. Clear, Avnish Verma? Good. Very good. So, if you have noted it down, then I will tell you next definition of compound sentence. Note it down. Good, Harsh Verma. Now, before telling compound and complex sentence, I will tell you one more thing. Write it down because these 2 points will be used in compound and complex sentences. Okay? It is a new topic for you, so you can ask it and I will explain you it again. Good, Raghavan Singh, if it is clear. Now I am going to tell you compound sentence, but before knowing compound sentence, you should know 2 points mainly. Okay? Compound sentences. Simple sentence is साधारण वाक्य and compound sentence is संयुक्त वाक्य. संयुक्त means compound means यौगिक. यौगिक means किसी के योग से बना हुआ. Okay, so compound sentence is made up by joining two sentences. So before knowing compound sentences, you should know about subordinate clause and coordinate clause. You all must have studied in class 6 subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunction. Okay, have it clear? Very good. Coordinate clause and subordinate clause. What is coordinate clause and what is subordinate clause? When two sentences are joined with coordinate, two sample sentences are joined with coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction means the two sentences of equal rank, बराबर रैंक होता है उनका, वो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं होते. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी कह सकते हैं इसको, कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. ओके, so when the two sentences of equal ranks are joined using coordinating conjunction, then that clause is known as coordinate clause. Next is subordinate. When one principal clause, we can say principal clause or independent clause. I just told you in simple sentence, principal clause or independent clause. Okay, and one or more subordinate. Subordinate means it is dependent. Dependent clause, it is depend on the principal clause. मेन वाक्य पे जो मुख्य वाक्य होता है उस पे वो सेकंड वाला जो हमारा क्लॉज यूज होगा वो डिपेंड होता है. अंडरस्टूड? One or more subordinate clause. एक भी हो सकता है, एक से ज्यादा. One or more subordinate clause. Okay, so subordinate clause is made up by when principal clause is joined with subordinate clause using subordinating conjunction. हम subordinating conjunction का यूज करते हुए subordinating conjunction. What is subordinate clause? The clause that is joined by using subordinating conjunction. What is coordinate clause? The clause that is joined by using coordinating conjunction. The clause that is joined by using coordinating conjunction is coordinate clause. The clause that is used by using subordinating conjunction is called subordinate clause. Okay, is that clear? Is this one clear to everyone? Hitesh, Raghavan, noted it down for you. Now I am going to tell you. This is the just point to remember. It is not definition. I just tell you what is coordinate clause, what is subordinate clause, because these 2 points will be used in the definition of compound sentences and complex sentences. These 2 points will be used in these two definitions that I am going to tell you further. Okay, done? Everyone noted? Class 7. Only yes, Anushka. Now I am going to tell you about compound sentence. I have just made a tree. Okay, I will ask you again tomorrow about that tree. A compound sentence is made up made up of two or more coordinating. Coordinating clause means both clause are of equal rank, they are not dependent. Means आपको एक सेंटेंस में दो उपवाक्य मिलेंगे जो एक दूसरे पर निर्भर नहीं होंगे, they will be of equal rank. Okay, Anushka? A compound sentence is made up of two or more coordinating clause. We can say coordinating clause, independent clause. Okay, coordinating clause. A compound sentence is made up of two or more coordinating clause. Note it down if you want. She, example, she tried to lift the suitcase. I will give you some example and tell you. Suitcase, but it was, you can see there or not, but it was too heavy. This is the first example. See, she tried to lift the suitcase. This is your one clause. It was too heavy. Okay, this is your principal clause, मुख्य उपवाक्य, and this is your coordinating clause, or you can say principal clause also. Why I am saying it's coordinating clause? Coordinating clause because this part of the sentence is joined with coordinating conjunction. So this part of the sentence will be called coordinating clause. Okay. She tried to lift the suitcase, comma, but it was too heavy. Okay. Note it down. Next example I am going to tell you. See. He is rich, but he is a miser. See, he is rich, but he is miser. वो अमीर है, लेकिन वो कंजूस है. This is the principal clause. These two sentences are independent or coordinating clause. Why? Because he is rich is one simple sentence and he is a miser is one simple sentence. She tried to lift the suitcase. One simple sentence. It was too heavy. Another simple sentence. You can also say when two simple sentences are joined using coordinating conjunction, then it is called compound sentence. This is also the definition of. Okay, then. A compound sentence is made up of two or more coordinating clause. She tried to lift the suitcase, but it was too heavy. He is rich, but he is a miser. See, before using conjunction, we are using comma. Okay. Now I am going to tell you some example of coordinating conjunction. Written this and but so these are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Still, yet, otherwise, etc. So like this many other words are known as coordinating conjunction, and but, so, still, yet, otherwise, etc. Note it down. Yes, Sharik, note it. So I am going to erase. Now I am writing two simple sentences and you have to join by using the word given in bracket. Okay. She didn't have enough cash. Okay, she didn't have enough cash. She paid credit. Now you have to join these two sentences using conjunction so. Join it. She didn't have enough cash. One simple sentence. She paid by credit card. Another simple sentence. Now join it. He is rich, but he is. Comma is not used. She didn't have enough cash. She paid by credit card. You have to join it using the conjunction so and convert it into a compound sentence. इन दो sentences का use करते हुए आपको इसको compound sentence बनाना है. Come on, Anushka, Aryan. Anyone can solve this? No one can solve. Okay, I am telling you answer C. She didn't have enough cash, comma. So she paid. इसलिए उसने कैसे पे किया? She paid by debit card. So now, sorry, credit card. She didn't have enough cash. No, not clear spelling. She didn't have enough cash is your first sentence. She paid by credit card is your second sentence. So I am joining it and making it compound sentence. She didn't have enough cash, so she paid by cash. Now this is your compound sentence. When two simple sentences are joined by using coordinating conjunction, then it is called compound sentence. I have told you. He is rich, but he is miser. M-I-S-E-R. Okay, Raju? Yes, Aryan. Noted it down. Next, one more sentence I am going to give you. Solve it. God made the country man. These are the two simple sentences. Man made the town. Now class 7 students, join these two sentences by using conjunction and. And conjunction का use करते हुए आपको इसको compound sentence में convert करना है. Try. God made the country and का use करते हुए man made the town. Join it correctly. Anushka, join it by using conjunction and. This is your second example of compound conjunction, compound sentence. See, God made the country. Now using and, first we will use comma, then and man made the town. Now this is also the example of compound sentence. See, by using coordinating conjunction, I have converted this sentence into compound. Okay. God made the country but man made town. But नहीं, मैंने कहा and conjunction का use करते हुए. Okay, Avnish. God made the country and man made the town. Yes, correct, Avnish. Hitesh, your answer was not correct. So everyone understood what is compound sentence? One more example I am giving you. Then I will tell you complex. We can take a bus to the museum. We can take a bus to the museum. This is the third sentence. Okay. We can take a bus to the museum and we can just walk there. We can just walk there. These are the two sentences. By using or, you have to convert it into compound sentence. We can take a bus to the museum and second is we can just walk there. So these are two simple sentences and you have to convert it into compound sentences. So if you can, anyone want to try? We can take a bus to the museum, we can just walk there. See, I am going to tell you. We can take a bus to the museum, and I told you that by using conjunction or, comma, first we will put comma, then or, we can just walk there. Now note down this sentence and I will give you homework. Today I have told you definition of simple sentence and compound sentence. Define simple sentence with example. Two examples you have to give and define compound sentence. I have told you definition. So you have to define simple sentence and compound sentence by giving two examples. With example. Tomorrow I will ask with example and tomorrow I will continue with revising simple and compound sentence and then I will tell you the definition of complex sentence. Okay class?